Okay, August 4th, Monday morning here. Sean Bogle. I'm going to go over some tactical, basically market extreme relative strength tactical setups. Unfortunately, my number one tactical setup is Priceline, and it's already kind of made its move. So sorry about that, but I don't do this full time, so I was not able to make a video this weekend. I was busy, and but that being said, I will review it anyway. So Priceline's been one of the strongest stocks around. It's in the, obviously it's a technology name. I did mention in the tactical market review that NASDAQ seemed to be the place that has been relatively strong, and sure enough, Priceline is one of the strongest in the NASDAQ. So I was looking for a buy above these this 1258 area. Triggered kind of early this morning. I wasn't really expecting it to happen this quick. I was maybe hoping for a day or two where the market can try to, test those lows and from Friday, fail, and then a stock like this would get another day or two to consolidate, really show its strength, and then motor through. But market waits for no one, and either does Priceline. So I ended up buying it. Got a little whipped up on my real short-term intraday strategy, though. It still held its core position. I also sold some 1260 puts, and so far so good. So, it really shows you the strength of this market extreme relative strength strategy, where the market, this blatantly outlines the stocks that are holding up in when the market's weak, and the explosive moves that these stocks can get when they do when the market, all the market had to do was stop going down, which is sort of what it did today and Friday, and look at this move in Priceline. So it's already sliced through its 1x Fibonacci level, and its 2x Fibonacci level is roughly at the figure at 1300, which sort of corresponds right around this level up in here. So it may be a little overdone short term, but I think as long as this market can stabilize, this stock may be on to another move, another leg higher here. Maybe you want to, first case, it's got a challenge at 1300 level, and then if it can get above could be challenging these highs for the year. But I don't want to get way too ahead of myself right now. We just see it as it is right now, and you're in a profit, and we'll watch and see how this continue. So I really want to see the volume, though, by the end of the day, kind of be punched up in here. So we'll see if that happens. So that's my number one. That was my number one on my watch list, and it's already made its move. Again, sorry about the timeliness of this video. Another stock that I'll watch is Facebook. This is sort of post earnings. I really want to see today it's up. I really want to see it break this short-term downtrend, and then maybe buy a break above this downtrend, and then lean on Friday's low, or really this 71 level to lean on, and then be buying it for a challenge of the post-earnings high here. Twitter is another one I'll watch. Same type of situation. Kind of had the post-earnings gap. It's just been slowly trending higher, lower rather. I really want to see that stop. So far today, it's up slightly. So I want to see it stabilize. It kind of makes sense to me to stabilize at this level here, which is around 43, and today's low is 43.5. So I really want to see that low stabilize right in here, and then I want to buy a break above this trend line. Of course, the market's going to have a lot to say this week as to the setups. Obviously, it's easier to be going with the tide than against the tide, and at least right now, short term, the market tide has been lower with last week's break, but if that tide does change, these stocks may be the places to be. And again, low risk. In this case, you'd be leaning again on today's low in Twitter. Another stock that I'm going to be watching is I don't know. This is a little bit of a speculative play here. It's VRNS, kind of a new issue. Looking for this 22 and 3/4 to 23 level. It's kind of consolidated here. It has been some relative strength. Not the thickest stock, but it trades to 200,000 roughly a day, so just keep that in mind. But if it can break above, and get above these moving averages, even if it just takes 50% of this move, reclaims 50% of this move, you're talking mid to upper 20s in this stock. Again, I didn't have too much this week. Again, things change as the days go on. Unfortunately, I don't do this video every day, so as I see it right now, these are things I keep an eye on. I might get some setups at the end of today, but and things may change obviously as how this market reacts here. But anyway, if you have any things out you'd like me to go over, any stocks or whatnot, just shoot me an email. I'll be happily go through anything and post a video for you. So without further ado, thanks for watching.